riding accident ended only in dislocated shoulder. Behind got distracted and it didn't take long for the situation to get out of control.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Oh, we must get our asses pulled over? Whoa! Oh! Did you not see the claps? No!
Yo, he almost hit you, Nick. Like,
no, he did hit me!
I did hit him. Oh.
But it wasn't like a crash or anything. Are you okay, man? How's your arm?
Yeah, I'm good. I locked my rear and just slid into you.
Oh!
Yeah, I saw him show there.
The wet road and excessive acceleration while taking a curve ended badly for this biker.
Damn! Are you me? Are you me? Ah! Yeah, I'm good.
It looks like this driver is trying to provoke the bikers.
Well, I'm just on my way out, just relaxing, not driving like a crazy nut, just taking it easy, standing up to cross some railroad tracks, and I'm going to be going straight, so I need to get in the right-hand lane, okay? These 2 lanes here go straight. The lane on the right is right turn only, and the 2 left lanes are left turn only. This guy in the black car right next to me, what he's doing is he's lined up to go over the bridge. When you get over the bridge, you're at the ocean. You have a choice of making a left or making a right. Now, I see that in my lane, I have a cop car sitting there who, all right, so now I go through, and immediately he starts coming into my lane, and I'm like, okay, I have to squeeze by, but I have to have some space. And no blinkers, no nothing. Okay, absolutely nothing, just blows me off, and then he apologizes because I kind of yelled at him, all right?
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Ah!
At this point, the biker is waving to the street patrol and they are both trying to catch the biker thief.
Lagárame, churia. Lo vi pasar. ¿Lo viste? No, no estaba armado. Subite, no. Subite y lo voy a agarrar, hijo de puta. Yo pollo, flaco. Ya está. Ya está. Estás agarrado, ya está. Está ahí arriba, está ahí arriba. Se va por atrás.
Agarrame acá la vuelta.
Dale. ¿Está ahí?
This biker has decided not to turn a blind eye on this behavior and to teach the driver a lesson. Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.